Hundreds join tens and ones. Read each place. Build the number.
Welcome back to the tens and ones burrow. I finished work on the new place value mat. It has 3 distinct columns now: hundreds, tens, and ones. This far left column is our hundreds shelf. To use it, we have to figure out exactly which mathematical building block belongs there. We already know how the smaller pieces work. 10 single ones always bundle together to create one 10 rod. If 10 ones make a 10, we need to know what happens when we bundle our tens to cross the threshold into this hundreds column. Watch what happens when I gather exactly 10 of these 10 rods into a single pile. As the rods line up, the whole group snaps together into one square 100 flat. I'll slide this new flat onto the hundreds shelf. Notice the tens column and the ones column, they are both empty now. The math on the leaf panel shows it clearly. 100 is 100, 0 tens, and 0 ones. 10 tens always make 100. This means a round 100 fills only the hundreds column, leaving the others at 0. Let's see what happens when we scale this up. Instead of 1, I'm going to lay down 300 flats. We count them as they land in the column: 100, 200s, 300s. I'll check the lower columns just to be sure. Both the tens and the ones are definitively empty. For 300, our count is 300s, 0 tens, and 0 ones. We write 300 with 2 zeros because those zeros act as placeholders, proving there are no tens and no ones on the mat. We can push the scale even higher. Here are 500 flats in a row. Even with 5 flats on the shelf, the tens and ones columns stay empty. That gives us exactly 500. 500s, 0 tens, and 0 ones. Let's go to the limit. 900 flats now fill the entire length of the shelf. Checking the tens column, it's still at 0. Checking the ones column, it is also 0. 900 is 9 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. No matter how many round hundreds we add, the tens and ones columns stay at 0 as long as we don't introduce any smaller pieces. Look at the visual scale of 300, 500, and 900 together. Each one is just a neat row of 100 flats. It all comes back to that first bundle. 10 tens make 100. These round numbers are a pure count of 100 flats, completely separate from the tens and ones. If I lay exactly 700 flats on the shelf with nothing else, what number is that, and how many tens and ones does it have? Seeing 300 as 300s, 0 tens, and 0 ones is how you read and build every 3-digit number from here on out. I'll see you at the next shelf.
Start with hundreds. Add tens and ones. Say the full value.